Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check out from Temu. This is going to be a very short and straightforward tutorial, so without further ado, let's get started. First, you're going to head over to Temu.com and then you're going to make sure that you're logged into your account or you have already created an account. You cannot check out without an account, so make sure that you do that first. Now, once you're in your homepage or your dashboard, you're just going to enter or like you're going to choose any product that you want to check out right here, so you can just click on add to cart right there. So for example, I want to buy this one. I'm just going to click on this cart icon so that it will be added to my cart. Now you can see here a summary of your order or a summary of your cart at the right side of the screen. Now what you're going to do is you either go to cart to check all the products that you are about to purchase, and then another thing is to just go ahead straight to checking out. So you can just click on checkout right here. Now, if you haven't set up your address, Temu might prompt you to enter your address first before you can check out. But if you already have, then you will be taken straight to this page. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to choose a payment method right here. So in the Philippines, you have the option to use GCash, card, and cash on delivery. But cash on delivery may vary depending on which country you're from. I believe that in other countries, cash on delivery may not be available. But again, you just have to choose the payment method, and then from there you are going to head over to the right side panel, and then you're just going to click on submit order right here and then confirm your checkout. And that's it. That is how you can check out an order on Temu. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more concerns or questions, you can just comment them down below.